how to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. So I'm going to show you a few fixes. For the first one, you want to open up your Epic Games launcher, and then we'll go into the library. And here you just want to find your Fortnite game. Once you find Fortnite, click on the three dots, and then you want to go into manage. Now from this window that pops up, you will just click on verify files, and it's just going to make sure that the installation has been completed properly, and it's just going to verify the integrity of your files. See if that fixes it for you. If it still doesn't fix it, what we want to do is click on this little folder, and it's going to open up your install location. You want to go into Fortnite game, then binaries, Windows 64, and easy anti-cheat. Here you want to find this application, right click on it, show more options, and then go into properties. Now we're gonna do a few things here. You want to click on the name, press space, and type repair. Also, you want to go into the compatibility tab and check these two options: run this program in compatibility mode 4, and also run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK, and once you launch the game, it should work now. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.